sweet. It has a cup holder and everything. Nice. Sweet little spot. You get your stretching on.
Save a horse, ride a cowgirl.
I could go to sleep right there. And then I could roll right in the pile of water. There's a cigarette butt right by your head. I laid it there. This view is insane. Like, nice. Yeah, I could try to get a picture of you. Don't fall.
I'm recording it.
Oh.
Hey. Yeah, I know my father. I be at ease in the muddiest waters. I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. Build, build, build. I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. Build, build, build. I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. Build, build, build. I have come to build a bridge, so come let's build. I am a black sheep, I am a blacksmith, a metal at words in a sheep that's pitch black too. And Lord, in this life, what have we done as a civilization to destroy in our own way? We are trashing our own birthday cake, and I consider myself a skeptic, but Lord, I'm an optimistic soul, and we're all getting dragged around and torn by the horns of the bull, and they are mighty, yet somehow subdued. Soon I will be done with the troubles. Soon I will be done with the troubles. Soon I will be done with the troubles of the world, with the troubles of the world, with the troubles of the world. Soon I will be done with the troubles of the world, gonna occupy my mind. No more weeping in a well, and no more seeking salvation, no more weeping in a well, gonna occupy my mind. Occupy your homeland, occupy your basic rights, occupy the front line, and when it's time, stand up to fight. You.